Now, some of you might ask, why not use P equals IV? Well, you can, but then you'll have to do the extra step of calculating the current. So let's look at this case. In the original case, you had 120 volts and a total resistance of R. So from Ohm's law, I equals to V over R equals to 120 over R. In the second case, where I have the two bulbs in series, the total resistance of the circuit has changed. So my current is now 120 over 2R. So let's try calculating each, okay? So I1 equals to 120 over R. I0 equals to 120 over R. I1 equals to 120 over 2R. So therefore my P equals to 120 over R times 120 equals to 120 squared over R. That's my P0. And my P1 equals to 120 over 2R times 120. In this case, I have to divide by 2, right? Because my voltage has changed. My potential difference is now 60 volts. So therefore, it is now 120 squared over 4R. So you can see the answer, the answer is still the same. Your final result is still going to be the same. It's still going to give you a quarter P0. But the difference is you have to do the additional step of calculating the current because the current has changed. Whereas if you just use V squared over R, you don't have to do that calculation because the resistance of the bulbs never changes between the two sets of circumstances. V squared over R works really well here.